Sobrang tahimik lang. Paulit-ulit. Kasi tahimik talaga dito. Hi guys! So, actually, nakita ko lang kasi yung comment dun sa comment section sa YouTube. Okay, magbablog tayo guys. Bukas. Okay guys, so babakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung anong itsura ng aming downtown or city. Kasi dun sa comment, ang nakalagay is patingin naman po ng city nyo. So, it's a Sunday, so maraming sarado. Well, dito yung mall namin. Actually, marami pang mga saradong or mga bakanting spot. Pero ito yung itsura ng mall namin dito. Ayan. So, meron ditong may salon dito sa part na to. And may crystal shop over there. Mga sarado kasi nga Sunday. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito naman yung museum store. Sarado din yan. So, ito yung itsura ng mall namin. And may mga... Okay, we're gonna go over here. Actually, may work ako ngayon, pero sobrang slow ba. Yan, may mga kiosk, may mga... Okay, but, ayan, sarado pa to. Sarado din yung post office. May post office over here. Post office yan. Tapos, may bookstore over here. Bukas sila. That's the bookstore. Yeah. And we also have Grand Slam toy store over here. So yeah, you can see. I think they're open. Yeah, they're open. This is like one of the biggest bookstore here in town, and they have like a lot of stuff too, not just books. They have this. It's made from here. See, like bombs and stuff like chocolates, bags. Yeah, oh, look at this. That's so nice. It's leather. Yeah, if you guys visit Kodiak, you guys should, go here. So it has little small spot. There's books over here. Tapos pala guys, may small area doon sa park na yun. Ayan guys, that you guys can chill. Nahiya lang ako pumasok kasi sobrang tahimik. Pupunta naman tayo sa Korean restaurant here that you can buy snacks. It's called Angko. And we also have Barefoot Bakery. I think they're closed. That's the bakery, but it's closed. So, ayan lang yung nandito sa loob ng mall. And if you go upstairs, it's like a conference area. This is our mall here. Ito lang yung mall namin dito, guys. I'm so sorry. Medyo boring. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano namang itsura ng pinaka-main downtown natin. So, medyo nika talaga ako, guys. Kasi marami nakakakilala sa akin dito. That's my car. Hi, Susie. And ito yung workplace ko. Ito yung back ng workplace ko, which is Henry's. This is very cool because it looks like my hometown in the Philippines, where all the yachts, but this is not yachts, it's boats. It's like fishing boats. And also meron may hotel doon. It's one of the nicest hotels too here in Kodiak. But we're gonna go that side. Maraming mga boat dyan. Punta tayo sa other side na yun para makita niyo yung mga boat. But, ito yung, dito nagdadock yung mga fishing boats. So, ayan. Malawak yan, guys. Sobrang lawak yan. Dalawa yung parang pier dito. Pier ba tawag doon? Dock. So, may isa dito, tapos may isa pa doon sa kabilang island. Kung nakikita niyo itong island na to, yan, meron pa doon. So, ayan siya, guys. Tapos, may kita nyo doon sa side na yon, may mga... Actually, ito yung ginagawang convention center. Tapos, may mga store din dyan all the way. Tapos, may mga bar. So, yeah. That's our little downtown. Tapos, kapag dumire-diretso ka doon, may mga fishing canneries. So, ayan guys. See? It's really nice kapag summertime. And yeah, punta naman tayo doon sa parang pinaka-center ng downtown. Which is doon ako nag-work. Kasi nga nag-work ako. Pero nga lang, sobrang slow kasi and I don't wanna be stuck there. I don't feel good. So, kailangan ko ng hangin. Charing! Hindi, totoo. Promise. Kailangan ko muna maglakad-lakad. Gumawa pa ng excuse. Oh, ang ganda din sa part na to, guys. Madalas naman tambayan namin is dito. Meron ditong parang tinatawag naming spit because I don't know why. Pero dito kami tumatambay. Yan, kasi may pa-view dyan. Tapos, kasi ba't na tayo maglakad? Papunta doon. There's also Wells Fargo over there. I used to work there. Tapos, courthouse over there. Ayan. Ito naman, ano yan? Bar. Yan, bar yan. Isa sa may mga ari din is Filipino. Ayan. Tapos, Trident, which is fishing cannery. Ayan, isa sa mga malaking cannery building. Or, yeah, whatever you call it. Malaki ang downtown namin, guys. Sobrang tahimik, sobrang kalmado. This is what I really like about this place. Ganda-ganda. Ang ganda pa rin, diba? Sobrang tahimik lang. Paulit-ulit. Kasi tahimik talaga dito. Guys, kapag nagmamigrate yung mga whales or orca, makikita din dito sa side na to. And yung mga yung mga whales na makikita mo doon, at saka mga sea lions. Ay, wait lang din. Yung mga whales na makikita mo dito, sa pupuntahan natin, dyan sa part na dito, ayan. Minsan nagpupunta rin sila sa Mexico. Diba? Nakakatuwa kasi nakita ko yung isa sa mga whales dun sa Mexico. Teka, magpakarang-harang tayo sa daan. Nakita ko yung isa sa mga whales dun sa Mexico as in, talagang tumalon siya dun sa harapan namin. And yung mga whales na yun, umaakyat yun dito sa Alaska kapag summertime. Ayan. Ayan na tayo. Diba? Kaya nating bilisan. So, dito mo makikita minsan yung mga whales. Tapos, minsan may mga sea lions din dyan. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Maraming mga tao nagpa-park dito sa part na to. Dito kami tumatambay talaga. As you can see, makikita mo yung pillar over there. Minsan may makikita mga seal dito, mga sea otter. Mga nagfi-fishing yung mga yan. Minsan yung mga iba dito, mga dayo, mga tourists, nagpupunta lang para mag-fishing. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong isang duck. Ayan. Pag nakita mo yung part na yun, parang ganito din siya. Parang ganyan din siya. Parang duck din siya. Ayan. Okay, isang history fact, guys. Dito sa Kodiak, Alaska, may nangyaring actually is the second largest earthquake sa buong mundo recorded. And that was in like 1960 something. I don't know, but I'm just gonna put it here. And ang laki nung tsunami na halos kalahati ng island is talagang linis, alam mo yun. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung isa sa mga naiwan na building nung tsunami. Feeling ko binabasa nila ako pero no, I have my buzzer I'll work, they will buzz me if I have my customers. Sa pool tabs lang naman ako. So, medyo slow kami ngayon sa pool tabs and I just need a little break. And why not get a little bit of sun, you know? And why not vlog and like, just for a bit. I used to work there, Subway. Yeah, that's my first job here in America. I worked there for 6 years. Diba? And shout out to Kuya Bernie, he owns that bar. We also have another bar here, The Village. Open na yan ata eh. Ay hindi, close sila. Oh yeah, there's like a hair salon over here. And ano yan? Hindi ko alam yan. AT&T, they're closed of course. Tapos isang shop, souvenir shop. Tapos alam ko yung taas sa apartment na yan eh. Ayan, Norman's Fine Gifts. Tapos another bank. We have so much bank here. Tapos ayan na yung workplace ko. Ayan na. Tumakas na naman ako, guys. Hindi, okay lang. Hindi yan takas kasi nagpaalam naman ako. So, punta naman tayo sa kabilang part ng city. Kabilang part? Parang naman may mga parts. Okay, so, doon tayo kanina. Dito naman tayo pupunta. As you can see, may McDonald's doon. Tapos, may bangko na naman. O, diba? Marami kaming bangko dito. Tapos, weed store. Isa sa mga pinakamalaking weed store. Actually, ito ata yung pinakamalaki talaga. Pinakamalaking weed store sa Kodiak. Ayan. It's the high rise. Amoy na amoy mo. Ayan, guys. Tapos, may cider slash, I don't know if that's a resto. May food ba dyan? Hindi ko alam kasi minsan lang naman ako punta dyan. But this is my favorite coffee shop. We'll watch. And then my restaurant then over there, which is Nuniac. Ayan. Tapos Kodiak Brewery. Ayan. Tapos Pizza Pit. My favorite pizza place. Ayan, guys. So ito yung parang pinaka-center ng not center but like basta nandito ka na, alam mong nasa city part ka na ng Kodiak. Tapos ito yung theater namin. Ayan, ang tagal ko lang hindi pumupunta dito. Tapos Kodiak Rentals, dating Ford yan, but yeah, Kodiak Rentals. So, may mga apartments and planes. Clinic. Kodiak Beauty Nail Salon. Sorry, guys. Sobrang ganda ng araw. Ito yung sa mga pinaka-favorite part ko ng alley. I don't know, it feels like you're in a different place. And, nakikita ko na yung first workplace ko. Ayan na guys, nandito na tayo. Medyo magandang walk din yon at masyadong mainit. It's Kodiak National Wildlife Refuge Visitor Center. Ayan na yung ayan yung building. It looks like a house, but it's a museum. Ayan siya. Makita nyo naman, sobrang lumang-luma na, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ito. Built during early years of Russian settlement as a warehouse for storage of furs and for offices of Chief Manager of Russian American Company. This is the oldest Russian construction remaining in Alaska. Oh, diba? Sa buong Alaska, guys. National Historic Landmark. The Russian American Company magazine dates from 1805 to 1808 when Kodiak was the trading capital of Russian America. The Russian America Company built the magazine and used it to store first before shipping them to markets around the world. After 1867, the Alaska Commercial Company used the building. The magazine is the only surviving structure known to have been associated with both companies. This design is 1962. 1962 pa to. O, diba? Sobrang tagal na ng building. As in, sobrang old na. Nakita nyo naman, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, I think that's it. Kasi ito na yung parang pinaka-town talaga namin. And, makita nyo naman, guys, sobrang liit lang ng Kodiak. It's a very small island, very small town. Pero marami din mga villages dito. So, yung way para makapunta ka sa village is by plane or by boat. Well, hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa mga yon. Dito pa lang talaga sa pinaka main city. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my very, very quick tour of our city. Comment down below, guys, kung ano pang gusto nyo makita dito sa Kodiak. Habang summertime pa, guys, kasi mas ginaganahan akong ipakita ang Kodiak ng summertime dahil sobrang lungkot kapag winter time. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!